Hi guys, welcome to another video today. Today it's just me, and we are playing the game called Hiking. This is, I believe, a horror game just like the other few games. It may be made by the same creators such as House Party. I hope it is because that was a good game. And it looks like we're starting right now. So this is my first time playing the game, so I have no idea what's going to happen. But I hope it is just normal hiking at Mount Robloxia. Oh. Hi, Rez. Welcome, hikers. When you are ready, follow me up to this camp. Okay. Oh. Mr. Mount Robloxia. Wooden house. Welcome. Oh wait, no. All right. This is the cabin that we will go back. Oh wait, I wasn't finished reading that. Excuse me. Let's go check it out. Oh, there's a chest. I like this chest. I want to open it. Oh, what's that other guy doing down there? Come on, dude. I like to chat with you guys and explain what today's plan is. We're going to embark on an expedition, I guess, up Mount Robloxia. It may be scary at the death plot. Okay, yep. I am losing my words. Okay, I hope you guys can read it. Pause it if you need to, because I'm not going to read it, because he doesn't let me have any time to. I love hiking, said somebody. Great, I love to hear that. Alright, let's get going. Maybe he'll let me have enough time to speak now. Make sure to stay close. Okay. I'm surprised this isn't a slide. I wanna wrap. Oh, wait, no, never mind. We're going this way. Is that Mount Robloxia over there? Or is that like a giant house? Ooh, this is a nice little river. Some white trees. Okay, that's creepy. Wow, we found a nice pond. Oh, this is a pond? Oh, there's some wood right here. It could be perfect for some water. Oh, what's this place? This girl found something. Ooh, water. What's under here? Nothing. Guys, my stomach hurts. Oh, it was poisonous, of course. Oh no, someone poisoned one of our water containers. Who would do such a thing? Oh my. It's that guy from school. That creepy guy. I've never finished school. I always die. Okay, I'm in here. What's in the chest? Open up the chest! Oh. Rez. Wow, that was close. Alright, since it is dark out, let's all go to sleep. Okay, I call sleeping on the chest. Wait, no, I don't want to sleep by the window. I call sleeping right behind Rez because I feel like Rez knows some stuff. You seem fishy. Or you could protect me. I mean, I don't know. Oh, I went to sleep really fast. I went to sleep standing. Wow. Good morning, hikers. Now that we have lights, we can head to Mount Robloxia. Yay! Where's Mount Robloxia, though? Let's head over. Follow me. Okay, I'm right behind you. You told us to stay close, so I'm staying extra close. Where are we going? Maybe you should tell us some stuff about this area. Like, why is there like marshmallow trees? What is this, Marshmallow World? Oh, there's Mount Robloxia. You can see it all the way over there. How far are we going to go? My legs are getting tired. Oh, there's a hole in the mountain. I hope there's no bears. I hope there's diamonds. Alright, this is the cave that we will explore today. Awesome. This is the cave on Mount Robloxia. Let's head inside. Why is this cave so famous? Just because of its name, or is there like something special about it? Res. Alright, let's go explore this tunnel to the right. This is a tunnel. This stops right here. If I am reading my map correctly, this is the correct way. Well, this led us to the wrong way. Yeah, no dip. Oh, I had the map turned the wrong direction. Alright, follow me. I don't trust them, so I'm staying with you, Rez. Wow, you like Ray's best friend? Because you guys have like the same exact name. Ray, Rez. Maybe this? Nope, that's blocked off. I'm surprised there's only 6 people alive. Ooh, some parkour. I love me some parkour. Everyone, take some pictures. No, no, no. No, the monster. Oh no, the monster has taken me. What? Why? Please save me. Please, I beg of you. Where can I save myself? You have 20 seconds for me? Can I escape? $11, $10. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Next. Rez. Speak to me, my dude. Let's get out of here now, okay? I'm running. Because I am not going to get trapped again. Especially if it's you, Rez. Rez, are you the bad guy? Because for some reason, every time I'm close to you, something bad happens. So, yeah, I smell something fishy, totally. Oh no, we're trapped in here. I saw an opening back in the cave. Okay, I'm following you. Where are you taking us? Alright, if I am reading my map correctly, there should be a nice camp up this way. Follow me. Okay, well, you're kind of going crazy. This is some intense music. Oh, yay, light! I see light. I hope that's light and it's not our death. Oh, nope, it's caution tape. This is our camp. There's literally 1 light and 4 beds. There's 6 of us. Well, correction, 5 actually. Perfect, let's stay here for tonight, okay? See you all tomorrow. Okay, I'm sleeping on this. This looks comfy. There we go. Good night. Oh, it's already morning. That was fast. I'm surprised this campfire is still burning. Alright, good morning. You never even went to sleep. You stood staying. Well, you kept standing up all night. Oh no, we need to get out of here. Please don't get me. Oh no, the monster. No, the monster took Rez. Yes, I know. You guys seem to know what happened. Alright guys, we need to get out of here in honor to Rez. Why do I keep speaking? The only way out of here is through the caution tape. How do I know what? Let's go, everyone. You heard me. This is my first time playing, and I know everything, apparently. I can barely see where I'm going. Oh, no. Right. It seems like we need to find the right path. Okay, done. Great job, everyone. We got to the right path. Wait for me. I'm scared. I've gotten taken once. According to Rez's map, there is an escape route ahead. Whoa, 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 whoa! Right here. Come on, let us go. We found an escape. Awesome. Your backpack looks too big, though. You should get that checked. Oh no, there's rain. This stuff is deadly. Is it acid rain? Let's get back to the cabin for safety. Safety, yeah. I have no idea how to get back. Pretty sure I took the longest way. I'm gonna die. I'm dead. Oh no. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I may do a part 2 to this, try to complete it, but I guess that's the end for this part. See you next time. Go down in the description and see and put in the comment section down below if you guys want another part, or if you guys also hit the little bell and the subscription button and give it a thumbs up. That will help a lot too, so that we could do more videos like this, but we could do more stuff in the videos.